Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids class name. Red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, yellow color. Kids, now we coloring numbers. Kids, first letter 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O N E 1. Kids, again use red color and draw 2. T W 2. Kids, now letter 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. Kids, now letter 4. The numbers of 4 and use green color. F O U R 4. Kids, now letter 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids, now letter 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. S I X 6. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 7. S E V E N 7. Kids, now letter 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. Kids, now letter 9. The numbers of 9 and use blue color. N I N E 9. Kids, again use blue color and draw 10. T E N 10. The numbers of 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, now draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 17. Kids, now draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids, now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. 20. The numbers of 20. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.